So we're back at it with the new curly client. So we had two main concerns for today. So the first, the ends or like bottom of her hair was a way looser texture than the top of her hair, and then we also wanted volume at the root. So you can see it almost looks like damage, but it's not. It's just her hair. I have that same problem, and yes, you can have multiple different textures in your hair. So of course I'm just showing her where I want to cut. She already had an undercut, so we're just trimming that up. And then basically what I'm going to do is cut the bottom layer that is longer and shorter than the rest of the hair, so it can all match up and be one length instead of just like a little tail at the end. Now we're going to get into styling. You already know AG Balance for the clarifier. Use code Curls by Z on 20 for 20% off your first order. Then we're going to go in with Detox Mask by Innersense. Just kind of rake that through. Has so much slip. I love it so much. Then a regular shampoo. Then we're going to go in deep conditioning. This is the Nourish Mask by AG. It does not look like that anymore because they repackaged, but I set her into the dryer. Then we get to testing products. And I ended up going with the Recoil, of course, for her hair. Put that in her hair, and then right now we're going in with Eye Create Volume Gel by Innersense, and then we get to clipping. So we're going to clip. I'm going to diffuse her a little bit, and then I'm going to pop her under the dryer. And then whenever I get her out from under the dryer, we're going to fluff with Dry Lift, and then we're going to pop back up. And this is what she had to say when she seen her hair for the first time when we popped back up.
Oh my gosh, that's crazy. My hair's never been this curly before.
Yeah, I was like, is the back even straight?
So her hair is looking bomb right now. So of course we're gonna cut anything that needs to be cut. Go over products with her, over her folder, take some pictures. She said bye to y'all. And this is the after. She looks so cute. Her curls look so juicy, and I love it so much. And I hope you guys do too.